Hello, I'm so excited to share with you the September-October Close to My Heart new seasonal idea book. We have the message from our founder, Jeanette Linton. You can read about how to become a maker yourself or sign up to be a VIP. This is the new Operation Smile stamp set that I think not only works for cards, but also will make some beautiful layouts. So very excited about that. If you're new to scrapbooking, here's the cut above kits. They are great for just getting stuff done. And now we go into our first new paper collection, The Good Life. I love the feel of kind of the barnwood, and it has the colors of mink and harbor and mocha, and then it also includes toffee and espresso. So all of those just work kind of to give that fall feel, but coming from a farm, it definitely has that farm life. You have our river rocks here on the left and another old truck and some fence posts, and I love the windmill, and all those have coordinating thin cuts. Here you can see the scrapbook workshop. You create all three of these double page layouts, and it comes with pre-printed papers and all the embellishments and instructions that you need to walk right through this and make those layouts. Now for the cards, it's the same thing. You get everything that you need to make all of the cards, but don't you love this mailbox? I could see that on so many different projects. So now we're going into Home for Christmas collection, and it just has all of these vibrant scarlet, candy apple, pine, jade, a new color, mocha, mink, and it uses French vanilla and black. And I like the feel of this. This to me is kind of the traditional colors made new. They're not so sharp and crisp that it just feels like you need to really work hard. These I think will just come together in beautiful layouts and cards. So this is the scrapbooking workshop for Home for Christmas. And then the next page will be the card making workshop. And again, with the card making workshop, you get the thin cuts of the boughs and the branches, and then all of your stockings also have coordinating thin cuts. And who doesn't love our mix and papers? These are designed to coordinate with those two paper packs. So you'll see all the same color families from those two paper packs also represented here in the mix-ins. In this page, to me, I always call it like the teaser of I know there's stamp sets coming and they're teasing me with what's out here. Close to My Heart has come up with another card front thin cut, and it has these wonderful leaves all around it. And now again we can go into that fall feeling for wreaths with the harvest wheat and just all of those more fall tones. Apple picking, if you haven't done that, I strongly recommend it as a fun family activity. And then of course you have all the critters of the farm, again with thin cuts. Anything that has kind of a darkened image behind a stamped image has a coordinating thin cut that's available for you to purchase. I love that they have all the tools here. I know for me, I always am in need of some more masculine themed cards. And then one of the first things that I purchased was this element stamp set, because that worn paint finish and the boards, this is going to work so well with some of my other background element stamps that I already have to just really give some depth to some of my projects. If you're into florals and love coloring, especially with our new watercolored pencils, this stamp set's for you. I like the A-size stamp sets just because they're quick and easy. You can make repeatable cards, send them out, and give cheer to all of your family and friends. The other thing that I like about the idea book isn't just looking at the new stamps, but also the artwork that they've done, and they share the colors that they used, so that if you love it, you can go and pull those same colors and make these same projects, or pull these same colors and make your own project. Here's some more things that would be useful for December dailies or scrapbooking. And then if you haven't watched my other video for the Essentials catalog, I love layered stencils, and this being a Christmas theme layered stencil, you just can't go wrong. And not only does it have the stencil, but it also has the thin cut. So I'm showing you here on the details. I apologize for the camera moving the way it did, but you can see how they did the scarlet kind of in a second generation or faded brush, but then did a heavier hand with that same color to give it all that depth. We have a couple new fonts and letters for you. Those are always fun. And then the 2 stamps of the month, the September one here on the left. Oh, so many uses for that. And finally, we have thin cuts that coordinate with our stamps of the month. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the future thin cuts are and how we can use them. I'm very excited about that. Here's our color palette for your cardstock and ink. Please note that black is no longer available in the dye ink. We just have it in Intense and Archival. Have a great day. All the links are below the video. Blessings.